Welcome to IT Hub. Let's start today's topic, multiple access. Access, as the name suggests, access to multiple device. Multiple device को by sharing access provide कराना is called multiple access. Here access of single channel is provided to many users by sharing a finite amount of radio spectrum. Sharing करना है finite amount of radio spectrum so that many users can access that channel. So let's take an example. If there is an expensive device, then we buy one device and share that device. So here one machine or device is accessible to many users. So by this example, this point is clear. Multiple access कैसे होता है? एक डिवाइस परचेज की, उसको यूज़ करने वाले मल्टीपल पर्सन है, तो वो डिवाइस एक्सेसिबल होगी मैनी यूज़र्स को. दैट इज़ कॉल्ड मल्टीपल एक्सेस. उस डिवाइस की मल्टीपल एक्सेस प्रोवाइड की जा रही है टू मल्टीपल यूज़र्स. प्रैक्टिकल एग्जाम्पल इज़ वाईफाई. वाईफाई को मल्टीपल यूज़र्स यूज़ करते हैं, सो दैट डिवाइस इज़ एक्सेसिबल टू मैनी यूज़र्स. सो आई होप दिस टर्म इज़ क्लियर टू यू.
So let's proceed to next slide. Multiple access technique. There are three techniques of multiple access: FDMA, frequency division multiple access; TDMA, time division multiple access; CDMA, code division multiple access. As in this figure, FDMA, here frequency is divided. There is a guard band used here. Signals have their specific frequency. Within that frequency, they will proceed their data over the channel. So next in TDMA, there is a guard time. Here time is divided and frequency is constant. Here time is constant and frequency is divided. So now in TDMA में time divide होता है. Here time slots are provided to every signal. Within that time slot, the data will be proceed. In code division, multiple access, there is guard code is used here. Here frequency and time is constant, but the code is variable. Next is frequency division multiple access. Frequency division multiple access में हम frequency को divide करते हैं with respect to time. Here time is constant and frequency is variable. सभी signals को एक fixed bandwidth की frequency provide की जाएगी. Within that frequency, signals are proceeded. The frequency band is divided into channel of equal bandwidth. Equal bandwidth में channel divided होते हैं. This is done by assigning active user a different frequency. All the active users have different frequency. Here guard band is used between the adjacent signals spectra to minimize crosstalk. Crosstalk को minimize करने के लिए guard band used होता है यहाँ पे. Crosstalk is inevitable signal. During the transmission of signal, there is a high risk of inevitable signal occurrence. So to avoid that, guard band is used. Here guard band is, you can see this figure, frequency 1, 2, 3, 4. There are multiple frequency and there is some space between all the frequencies. Between the different used frequency channels, there is a small amount of bandwidth not used. This space is called guard band. This space is called guard band. Is used to avoid interference between signals. If the interference occurred, then after the collision, data will be lost. So to avoid that, guard band is used here. I hope this is clear. These main features of FDMA, frequency division multiple access. So there are some points. First is continuous transmission of signal over the channel on different frequency band. Different frequency band provide किया जाएगा to every signal for their continuous transmission of data over the channel. Advantage है, main feature है. FDMA का synchronization is not necessary here. Synchronization means sender and receiver का simultaneously active होना is not necessary here. Overhead and low cost, as we share resources to multiple users can share single resource, so cost is obviously minimum होगी, cost overhead कम होगी, हमें एक ही मशीन की मेंटेनेंस की नीड होगी. It is simple hardware used at mobile unit and base station और mobile unit के पास simple hardware से भी काम चल जाता है. So here simple hardware है तो cost भी कम होगी. Next, FDMA can be used with both analog and digital hardware. No restriction regarding the type of baseband or type of modulation. So there is a flexibility for using any kind of modulation and type of baseband. These are all features of FDMA. Next are disadvantages of FDMA. The bandwidth of FDMA channel is narrow. As we see here, यहाँ पे F1 के अंदर सिग्नल S1 अपना डेटा प्रोसीड करेगा, F2 के अंदर सिग्नल S2 अपना डेटा प्रोसीड करेगा. देयर इज़ सम स्पेस बिटवीन टू फ्रिक्वेंसीज, दिस इज़ मेंटेन बाय गार्ड बैंड. अगर ये गैप नहीं होगा तो सिग्नल 1 एंड सिग्नल 2, देन सिग्नल 1 और सिग्नल 2 में कोलिजन होगा, कोलिजन से डेटा विल बी लॉस्ट. सो टू अवॉइड दैट गार्ड बैंड इज़ यूज्ड हियर. नेक्स्ट इज इंटरफेरेंस बिटवीन सिग्नल. इंटरफेरेंस होता है तो हमने गार्ड बैंड यूज़ किया. तो प्लानिंग इज कम्बरसम एंड टाइम कंज्यूमिंग. मैक्सिमम बिट रेट पर चैनल इज फिक्स्ड. कितनी बिट रेट मैक्सिमम होगी उस सिग्नल की कि वो प्रोसीड करेगा डेटा, वो सब फिक्स होता है यहाँ पे. हमें का प्रेजेंस ऑफ गार्ड बैंड को मेंटेन करना पड़ता है, बिट रेट मेंटेन करनी पड़ती है. देयर आर सम, सो जितनी भी डिवाइसेस यूज़ होंगी सबकी मेंटेनेंस की नीड होती है. सो दैट इज़ डिसएडवांटेजेस ऑफ FDMA. This is all about FDMA. Thanks for watching.